Hi, here I will try to show my way to create a 2D drawing of mostly for buildings. And now I have my project here, which is a building which made from blocks. So all this scene is blocks, and inside these blocks we have everything on the layers with set materials and section styles. So if I wanna to create a 2D drawing, I can make a page, put here like perspective for the beginning, and set up like the graphics I need. Turn off all layers that I will not need in my 2D drawing. For example, I need to turn off all the marks, all the annotations. So I will do it in a few seconds, I guess. And after that I need to create my section, which can be done with a clipping plane or a section. I usually use clipping planes. For example, I would like to make a section of this space, and I can do C-plane, like C-plane vertical, I guess. Sorry, not C-plane, but clipping plane. Clipping plane, vertical, and I go here, and something like that. Let's say we wanna show section of this this volume. So we already have our section in 3D, we have our section style adjusted, we have all the hatches, and for now we should set up C-plane, which should be in the same how to say in the same plane with all our section. Now when we can draw it over the clipping plane, set plan command, and we have our section. So we can put the scale like 1 to 50, 1 to 25 probably. Yeah. And we can hide in detail our clipping plane because we don't need it. And after that we can just put all our dimensions right on the layout. For example, let's just change our dimension style, and we can make all the dimensions right on the layout. And I think it actually looks like not bad. I really like really like this like Rhino sections in Rhino 8. And for example, here are some views that I done before. Sorry for that. We can turn on print preview. No, probably we don't want that. So these views are created with the same way. Put the clipping plane, make a view, set a plan command, and after that put dimensions when I need, and this like Detailed views is also like taken from 3D. I didn't draw anything in lines, it's just like section from 3D view, and just also I can show you how to set depth, because sometimes we need show in detail. Sometimes we need to change our depth, so we can put custom depth, and it would be like could be like 0, for example, or it could be like 500 millimeters or like 2 meters. 2 meters. Yeah, so we can play with that as we want, but usually I use like 0 for the like clarity of the detail, and it works quite well for me. So we have like this detailed views, we have like another detailed views, and we also can, it's kind of interesting and I really like it because we can have a 3D section, but also with a perspective view. So this one is done from 2 sections. One is like plan view with 0 depth, so we can hide this, and we can see that this one is section with a 0 depth, and second one is a section from perspective view with the same scale. And if we will put the dimensions for perspective section, it probably would be wrong. So we can see here it's like 3 meters. No, it could be probably it could be right, but sometimes I catch myself that sections on the perspective view are wrong. So I do it this way. I make like orthography section with 0 depth and put perspective section on the background, and I put all my dimensions on the 0 depth section, and this one is just for a good picture, like to have a good picture, I guess. So here how I work on my like 2D views of 3D geometry, and I hope it will be useful for you.